Hey guys, here we are. It's Thursday afternoon in Mogadore, Ohio, and we are done. And we had a couple of issues with the video last night that we took, but we actually got in town at 6:30 last night, and Melissa and I were really just going to try and build the roof, get something done last night, but instead we actually got the bar set up, the roof built and on and attached, and today we did everything else. And I'll tell you what, it's a good thing we did that yesterday, because we'd have never gotten done today. So we are done. What time is it, Melissa? Around 5:36? Oh, it's 6 o'clock. Holy crap. Well, we got a late start because we were out here late last night till probably around 12 hanging out. But here's the bar. It's all done. It's a 10x4 bar with an ice bin and rope lighting. I don't know if you can see that. I don't even know what I'm pointing my camera at right now. Ah, there it is. All right. So you got your cabinets, and it's a 12x6 roof. So we are done. They have a nice tropical setup here, and in case that other video does not come out, here in Mogadore, Ohio, they are selling this margaritaville bar that my bar is replacing. So if anybody's interested in it, they're selling it for $250, and it comes with 4 bar stools, and I don't think it's these are their patio chairs. So get in contact with me if anybody wants it. Pretty sure they're not going to ship. So if you're in Ohio and you want this, it's all yours for $250. And oh, I got 4 bar stools too. And just in case nobody's sure who built this, let's find out. That's right, Tiki Kev. All right, didn't take long to get the roof done today. Well, it took a while, but we took breaks, and I met Mike from Custom Palm Trees out here in Ohio in Akron. He stopped by to check it out. So I'll be taking on probably mostly all Mike's tiki bar and hut work, and he's going to stick with the doing the palm trees. So he's going to be passing all his work on to me. So if I wasn't busy before, look out, I'm going to be busy now. So they got a nice yard, nice setup back here. Custom palm trees, Mike, there's one of his right there. Oh, thanks, Rob. And we have another one back here. Here's another one from over here. So those are some of the palm trees that Mike makes. So look them up, Custom Palm Trees in Akron. Hey, Rob. Do you want to, since the video didn't come out yesterday, you want to say what you said to your friends yesterday?
Oh, Gary Bender, how you doing? From Summit Racing, this is Robert Costello from Summit Racing, saying hello to Gary Bender. And if you have any questions for Tiki Kev, he says call him.
Yeah, give me a call. We'll have a beer.
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll have a beer. All right, the office number, in case anybody wanted to know, 267-718-4527. All right, so I think that's it. We're heading home in the morning. It took us 8 hours to get here. Hopefully it won't take as long. We'll have some decent weather heading back. So from Mogadore, Ohio, and Melissa.
Oh,
She was a trooper. Oh, and there's Sandy.
hi.
Hi. All right, from Mogadore, Ohio, and Melissa, Tiki Kev out.